everybody. Welcome to Guitar Club. It's good to see you guys. Move your mouse over your little screen up at the top. Find those 3 dots, and then find the rename option, and then change your name so I call you by the right name.
That one's an easy one you guys could probably just memorize and show your friends. Be like, check it out, 007, James Bond.
I think if I could choose my favorite spy movie, I like Spy Kids, and I watched the James Bond movie, and I thought that was pretty cool too.
Awesome.
Very close, Wyatt. So remember, it goes 3, 3, and then it goes to the 4th string. One more string down. The next.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Try it one more time. I think you'll get it. One more time.
So as long as you can remember that we go 3, 5, 7, and 9, those dots on your guitar can help you find your way around without you having to count up and down the frets.
Awesome, Ian. Great. All those fingers at work too. Great job there.
It helps to use 2 different fingers. Okay, start with your 3rd finger on the 6th string, and then use your 1st finger on the 5th string.
Yes, nicely done, sir. So Josh, that rhythm was spot on. And I like how you just barely moved your finger off of that string on the 8th fret. I didn't even see your hand move.
I didn't have a dot on 3, but I had 2 on 12.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, I can learn this, and I just got used to it over time.
Good, yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Very good, very good. Exactly.
Practice section, you add a slash and practice. Support at FineArtsMatter.com for questions from your folks or from you.
That is it for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. And we will see you next Friday.